Hey coaches, this is Brian at Forest Hills. I'm getting ready to create the brackets for the skills competition. I really appreciate you bringing your teams to our very first Forest Hills water polo tournament. We are really excited. And so the email that I sent out, I said that I was going to do a random draw of the names submitted. So I have the names right here listed of your girls. I haven't received East Grand Rapids, so I had them in as East Grand Rapids 1, East Grand Rapids 2, and then we'll just fill the girls' names in that get submitted. So I'm going to copy these names. And I'm going to paste them into a random generator, and I'm going to randomize the list 3 times. As it does it, it will assign a number 1 through 8, and then I'm using the print your brackets here with their seeds, and you can see how they have a 1 through 8 ranking on it. And actually just going to enter it down. I kind of created this spreadsheet to mimic the print your bracket. So here we go. Random.org. I'm going to press it once. I'm going to press it a second time. I'm going to press it a third time. And there we go. Jessica Schellenboom will have the first seed. Maddie from Granville will have the second. East Grand Rapids 1 will have the third. Jessica Gradler from West Ottawa, fourth. And then we got Sydney from Forest Hills will be fifth. Sydney from West Ottawa, sixth. Kaylee from Granville, 7th, and the second East Grand Rapids entry will be in the 8th seed. And again, those will line up with these seed numbers that you see here. Alrighty, feel free to share this video with the girls so that they know who they are going to be going against.